Hi, I'm Nestor Espinoza from Spray Gunner team. I want to show you how to paint scale models using the CreateX paint. Okay, now can I show you how to the model before prepare all this area like that, all the resin color and all parts. And then you can see here all parts already prepared and already painted with auto-born sealer, black. And basically, I plan to do is just apply aluminum chroma air over the frame, and then apply on top the candies. In this case, Caribbean blue. In the middle, orange grape, and in the bottom, brandy wine. This is basically the process, and let's spray. Okay, let's start to mix first the aluminum chroma air. Okay, let's mix. Okay, I've set up the air, so I'm around 20 PSI. Let's do some first flow test before start spraying over the model. And looks great. Let's put some air. I'm always recommend use glove for avoid touch the model and leave some grease or some undesired effects over. And well, let's start. Try to cover all edges, all shape to the frame. Okay, let's use the gloss 40-50 and reduce 50-50 for 40-11 reducer. And will we use this base for all candies? Check well. Okay, I put the base, the airbrush. Okay, let's use some brandy wine. And now let's start soft to the bottom of the bike. Use a little touch. Okay, that will be enough. And let's keep going now with the graver orange. Okay, now go with tequila yellow. And let's spray the last candy, Caribbean Blue. Okay, this is the final result. You can see all candy paint jobs, very, very near to the real bicolors. And then I just will protect to the 40-50, like 3 or 4 coats. Let it dry a little bit, apply the water slide decals, and then let's finish to build the whole entire bike. Okay, let's do the final step. Let's protect the scale model using 40-50, like 3 or 4 coats, slow, and let's spray. Okay, when the other bike dry, we plan to do other bike. This is specialized in this case, and we only use the black pearl for paint the frame, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, we have the pieces already done for paint, and I just want to use 40% 4011 reducer, 10% balancing clear, and 50% black pearl to the Wicked Createx colors. Always, always, always apply light and soft coats. And then keep going. Don't get rushed, the color will appear. And this is the way to paint acrylic paints over the scale models. Okay, now guys, we apply the water slide decals over there. We're using the first liquid. It's fix the decal over the surface. They help to blend the decal in the surface and adapt to the shape. In this case, it's a very good shape. It's nothing complicated, and that works very, very good. And the next, the second product is the softener decal or decal softener decal for keep decal in the place, and when the decal dry, it's stay in the same place always. Okay guys, the paint job is already done. Now I will put all pieces together for show the final result. Well guys, I hope you like it. The final result, I'm enjoying a lot using the CreateX products in the Word to the scale modeling. This is Nestor Espinoza by Spraying on our team. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.